Chaos! Chaos gardening. Every time I see rain in the forecast, I think chaos gardening. Simplest terms, take a bunch of seeds, throw them in the garden, and then let nature do its thing. Great for beginner gardeners, for busy gardeners, for small spaces. Let's do this. Let's chaos garden. Chaos gardening! Why do we chaos garden in the rain? Because rain is nature's best irrigation system. Half of the work is already done for you. Tip number 1. You want to make sure to wait for the rain to slow down. This is a little bit too hard right now. It's kind of like a monsoon. It'll wash the seeds all over the place. So we're just going to wait just a little bit until it dies down. Tip number 2, make it simple. Don't overthink it. Plant anything you think you would want to use, or if it's flowers want to see. I'm making it really simple and doing lots of flower seeds this year and just throwing a lot of extra flowers in the garden. Tip number 3, when you have seedlings popping up, make sure just to thin them out a little bit, because when it gets too crowded, they start to compete for nutrients and soil and light, and they won't grow as big as they will. Tip number 4, let some of the plants flower and go to seed. It'll help with the pollinators, feed the pollinators, and you will get some seeds at the end of the season once that's done, and then you can reseed them again the following season. Tip number 5, make sure you're not sowing invasive species in your garden. Do a little research, Google it, and see what grows well in your area, what's invasive. Better yet, plant some natives. They'll be perfect. They'll grow really well in your area. You don't have to water them. You don't have to baby them so much. Natives are the way to go. Okay, when I say monsoon, look at this. Plants are just gonna wash away here. We don't want this. This is too much water. Ooh! All right, so I'm just sprinkling some flower seeds here next to my irrigation. We're very dry here, so I want to make sure there is some type of irrigation for these flower seeds that I'm sowing. Chaos! Chaos! Woo! Chaos! Chaos! All right, a few weeks ago, I did some chaos gardening and planted all of this alyssum around my garden. I especially wanted to plant alyssum next to all of my citrus trees, just because it brings in beneficial bugs that help control ACP, which is a bug that can infect your citrus plants with HLB or the greening disease. All right, the rain has stopped pretty much, and we finished our chaos gardening. It was so fun. I hope to see a lot of flowers in the garden. If you want a little more tame chaos, you can maybe have a prep bed or some prep soil so you know where your garden's gonna pop up. But it's so fun, it's so freeing. Don't make it harder than it is. Just throw some seeds and see what happens. Let nature do its thing. Thanks for hanging out with us in the garden. I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Chaos, 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 gardening, chaos gardening, chaos gardening, chaos gardening.